Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz and Freedom the Parrot in the bird pack. We are at Proctor Wilderness area. I never heard of it. And I'll have to do a list one day of all the parks that we've gone to since we lived here for 2 years. But our neighbor Kim suggested this one. And apparently you can ride your horses back here. You just can't make this stuff up. Woo! That's what we love about, this is in Geneva, we're in Oviedo. But beautiful wide trails. So far everything's really flat, so you can't go wrong. Freedom is in a bird pack called Celltie, C-E-L-L-T-I-E. I'm sorry, E-I. And it's got screens on 3 sides. And if it were to rain, you can roll down the 2 sides or the front. You only want to put the front down if it's, pouring rain, because you don't want, if anything, that's the most important one. You don't want rain to hit your bird. But look how nice. So this is beautiful. 475 acres. There's a note that says some areas may be impacted by flooding. You've got your saw palmetto here, pine trees, and then we'll have to pay attention and see if we see live oak trees. But I've already seen quite a few birds, and we're excited. Woo! Have a great day.